This is the Euro New Zealand on the 60, and I'm involved with a excuse me, with a trend continuation trade using the first chance entry, and it's resulted in a very nice reward to risk here. So let's see if this trade comes off, because it is a beauty. This would be a very nice reward to risk if we got it. Looking at the dailies, so here on the daily time frame, what we had is, this is the structure level that I believe price is working its way down to. And what we did is, from this point we went higher, we saw a pullback, we went higher, we double topped, and then down here we violated this level of structure. So right now we could be pulling back to this point, and we're not quite there yet, but if we drop down the time frames, we do have some internal structure which would indicate that we're going to come lower. And what we have here is we have a move lower, a pullback, and a move lower. And I'm just going to put a couple of structure levels on. So we've got one here at the close of the candles and one here at the wicks. That's a major level of structure there. You can see we've still not come into that zone, but what we do have is, this is the outside return for trend continuation. So anywhere in this zone we can look for shorting opportunities, but if we highlight just the wicks, this would be classed as the first chance entry. So we're allowed to drop one time frame lower and look for a valid double top. And right here you can see that we have this level of resistance. So resistance, resistance, and within those wicks we have a double top with the RSI confirmation. So we went overbought with divergence. So if I bring back on the orders, it means stops only need to go an ATR above the high, which is 11. So that actually gets us 10 pips above this 16900 psychological number. It means that we have a very nice reward to risk if this trade comes off. It's certainly valid, but the Euro New Zealand does have a very large ATR, so even this small move is worth 28 pips of risk. So we'll make that green for target ones, and target twos, well, they're going to be a retest of that lower structure level on the dailies. And let's just go back to that so that you can see it. I don't want to do that. So right here is the closes of the candles, and you can see we're playing for that level. So let's just go back to the 60. And quite simply then, we're looking for the market has already come up, and that candle closed and held structure. So we are looking at, in terms of risk, we're looking at 20. That seems a bit less than what I thought. Let's have another look at that. Okay, yep, 24 pips. And then for target ones we're looking at 78, and then for target twos we're looking at 149.